So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up DMARC, which is just a technical way of saying improving the deliverability for your emails. So this happens at the domain level. So anything that is affecting the domain will also affect the emails that are under that domain, right? So we're just changing one setting for the domains. It's for the domain itself. And you must set up DMARC. The good thing with using Google Workspace is that your SPF and DKIM, which are basically just things to help improve deliverability that tell Google this is a legitimate email that is owned by a person, by an actual human. That's all we're trying to tell Google by setting up these sort of technical things. It's a very quick setup. It takes 2 seconds. I'll show you how to do it right now. So we go over to the domains, and then we would go over to My Domains. So let's just use this one that we used before. We click on that, we click on DNS, and then here, this is where you add the custom records, right? So the way that you would do that is you want to go over to, hold on. Okay, so what you want to do, and I will place this, you just copy paste it exactly as it is. So you would copy this, there's the host name, so this goes under name, then you go type, which is txt, so it's a text record, so you go over txt, and then you would just copy paste this. And obviously here it says name@yourbusiness.com. So what we want to do is we want to just do this with the main name, so the admin name, Mark at, and then obviously the domain name here is AmazonInelsExperts.com. So we would just change that and we would put that in there. Now we don't need to do this for the other emails. This will affect the actual domain itself, which means that the emails underneath that domain are fine. So you just do this once at the domain for every single domain that you have, just to make sure, again, to improve the deliverability of the emails itself so that we don't end up in spam or promotions or people not seeing our emails. And once you've done that, you quite literally just click save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That is the only thing that you need to do in terms of setup for your email, in terms of technical side of things. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You just copy paste exactly what I'm going to put in a separate document, just so that you have that. And then you quite literally just change the name. It doesn't matter what name that you put. It does matter what name that you put. Just make sure that you put the original name, the admin name, right? So you put, in this case, the admin email account is Mark, and it would be at AmazonInelsExperts.com. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.